Would you believe me if I say that you can create a beautiful SaaS landing page like this in under 10 minutes and publish it straight into your Webflow site? Well, let's take a look how LandingRabbit works. The first step is to choose the page type. These are the most common page types that SaaS marketers need when they're helping their sales teams sell faster, support teams to answer questions in live chats, and when they're doing paid marketing campaigns. I'm going to use feature solution use case as my first page type. These suggestions are for Asana. I'm using them as the example company in this demo. But you can use any other SaaS company out there. And if you do that, then these suggestions are tailored to you. I'm going to use best resource management tool as the topic of my first page and hit next. In the background now, we're taking a look at Asana. We're learning what they do, what problems do they solve, what benefits their solutions serve, and so forth. And at the same time, we're looking at the keyword, the topic, the page type that you chose in the process, and we're going to combine that information together and try to figure out what is the best possible page. What is the problem that Asana is looking to solve? What does the solution look like? What are the features related to this problem, this page topic? And what are the benefits that Asana serves in this case? And what we create as a result is a plan. That plan will help us to generate the best possible content for your website, and you can help the AI do better job. Here in the planning phase of the page creation flow, you can add new things, you can edit things, you can remove any of the suggestions here. The better you make the plan, the better the page content will be. I'm not an expert in Asana's business. I don't know too much about best resource management tools. So I'll let AI to do their work and click let's write the page. The next thing you will see is a text editor on the left that looks a bit like Notion, an easy to use text editing tool. On the right hand side, you will soon see a live preview of the website. The key idea of LandingRabbit is that you can edit the content on the left, and when you type anything here, you can see that the right hand side, the layout adjusts dynamically. So as a content writer, someone like me, I can just focus on the best possible content. I don't need to worry about the layout, how it looks. I can take a look at it every now and then, but my focus is on the best possible content serving my audience. You can also preview the whole page. You can scroll it down, up and down, feel how the text looks to you. How does the customer will respond when seeing this page? On the left-hand side, you can move things around. For example, if you want to change the order of any of these content sections, you can also work together with AI and improve the content. You can ask questions like, could you give me 5 different variations of the title? Or could you help me to evaluate my copy? Does it really resonate with my target audience? The good thing about this Ask AI feature within LandingRabbit is that when you're asking questions, we automatically send a lot of context in the background. So for example, the page plan that you created together with AI, all the content that you've been writing and editing so far, and also what we know about your company will be sent in the background, and that will improve the AI suggestions when you're asking questions. When you're happy with the layout, then you can easily import this to any Webflow site. All you need to do is to click share button and copy the URL of the page that you've created. And when you then go to Webflow, here you will click first apps, then select LandingRabbit, then launch that, and then all you need to do is to add the URL of the page to this field. Then you click import page, and what LandingRabbit will do in the background is that it builds a replica of the page that you've been writing and editing in LandingRabbit. And you can edit this page in Webflow just like any other page once this process finishes. If you want, you can continue working on the page in LandingRabbit and then later rewrite this page in Webflow. But if you prefer working together with your designers and developers straight in Webflow, that's also possible, something that you can do and something you can continue as if this would have been any other page that you've created within Webflow. The key benefit of LandingRabbit is that in LandingRabbit, you can fully focus on the content, the best possible page to create for your audience, instead of trying to figure out what is the best layout. But once you've got the plan created, It's going to be lightning fast for you and your team to publish pages. If you would like to try this tool for your company, simply go to our website, landingrabbit.com, sign up for our free trial, and we will help you get started. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.